Manipur Technical University ki mathakta court case laibadagi University asigi regular vice chancellor hapa yadana lairibasi Governor Ajay Kumar Valana nungaitaba phongdokpaga loinana lainga ki maikaidagi waroisinama laknaba amasung regular vice chancellor ama hapnaba honari hairi wafam asi Manipur Technical University ki Tara Suba Foundation Day gi thauramda phongdokhibani Imphal ki Tagel Pata laiba University asigi auditorium da A Decade of Excellence Journey of MTU haiba theme da pangthokiba thauramada Governor na makha taraduna University asi tapna mapung fagalaklibana maram oiraga kari karamba hiram amadi maikai rom da khumang chausinba yagadage haibigi lamda thabak tawbagi tangai fadaba lei mahiroi singda mahai masing amadi job opportunity yauna hiram kaya da piba yaba platform sing makha ta na pinaba honari haiki Malem Yoina Digital Transformation, Climate Challenge Samasung, Geopolitical Ship ki lakliba ahong basing asida, Mangzil Thana Bahona si haiba Pauzil, Governor na Piraduna, Seda si Yamadi Laiba sigi future si Mahiroi Sing na Oiri, Mahiroi Kudimak na Tamliba Mahayadu Miyam Gidamakta, Daita Yauri haiba si Kangna, Panglakliba Mahi Singadu Miyam Gidamak Sizina si Haiki, Thoramadu da University asigi Ozama sung Mahiroi Sing na Sarukyaki.
I myself regret that we don't have a regular vice chancellor of this university because of some court cases and all. But government is trying its best to resolve that and appoint a regular vice chancellor. Of course, there is a gap of having not even an acting vice chancellor. The education department should please see that. Some officers of the department are here. On this Foundation Day, we celebrate not only the past and present of Manipur Technical University, but also its promise for the future. Let this institution continue to be a beacon of hope and excellence, not just for Manipur, but for the entire northeastern region. Let's renew our collective commitment to ensure that MTU stands tall as a model of academic innovation, ethical integrity, and social impact.